Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast at Barbarini Square in Rome. See an iconic fountain, a man drinking water, perhaps out of a shell, and many fish, some bee art in the center, and water flowing. Lots of people sitting near the fountain, eating, drinking, pigeons as well, and a lot of tour buses. Lots to see. This is a nice view. See the various buildings through the streets. Pizza, pasta, food, gold shop, international pharmacy, bar, restaurant, Barbarini. Looks like a sort of bank. And some more buildings on this side. Get another view of the fountain from the side. Now heading around to the back. Looks like a pigeon inside nibbling at something. Some more of the fish art. The art is the same throughout the fountain on all the sides. Recording here at the end of April 2025. It's nice weather, around 70 degrees. On this side, more pizza, more restaurants. I'm on my way to the Hard Rock Cafe in Rome. Surprisingly or not, I have a deal, 15 off of 25, and I'll get to use my Hard Rock comps from the Hard Rock MasterCard. Another street on this side. Some of these covered restaurants to see some sort of shield on the side, perhaps for when it's raining. Looks like a cool place to sit over there with perhaps a shell. Some others setting up photos or pictures as well. See many of the buses coming through. Over here is what looks to be the metro. Stairs going down. Another cool street on this side. See some of the smaller vehicles parked and otherwise pedestrians going throughout. Looks like another hotel here, Bernini, Bristol. And on this side, a cinema or a movie theater. Another view of the 360 camera throughout Barbarini Square. See it all as I go around. Nice place. Lots of dining, shopping, and more to do. Buses picking up. I was on the I Love Rome bus a few years ago when I was here. Big Bus Rome on this side. And more to see. Cocktail bar, McDonald's not too far away. Yes, even in Rome, McDonald's. International presence. Another street on this side. Doesn't look to be much, just an alley. A lot of these motorcycles coming through as well. A nice day once again, recording at the end of April 2025 in the town square of Rome, more specifically the Barbarini Square. Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, headed to the Hard Rock Cafe and signing off.